Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Tanya Files. All right, so in one of my other topics besides cases, I want to talk about this game show called Switch. Now, this is on GSN. So what happens is, at the very beginning of the show, the host will ask the contestants 5 questions to determine who stands behind whatever number that they get. Now, if they buzz in and they get it wrong, they obviously instantly go to 5, or if 4, whatever. So it depends on if you get the question right or not. And then what happens is, in round 1, there are 5 questions. And whoever is behind number 5 at the end of that round is eliminated. Now, you could end up being behind 5 and get a question right, and you could end up all the way up to number 1, which is why the game is called Switch. Now, what happens is, at the end of every question, when the answer is revealed, they also try to find out who got it right and who got it wrong. So if your number lights up and it's green, then you got it right. If it's red, it's wrong. So let's see. Let's say, for example, 1, 3, 4, and 5 get the question right, but number 2 gets it wrong. 3, 4, 5 move up, and 2 goes all the way to 5. Now, this episode in particular was actually kind of interesting because I think there wasn't a single switch until I think either the 3rd or 4th question in the first round. It was hilarious.
Okay. Let's see who did get this right. Hunter is the only one who got it right. He's staying at number 1, and you all are staying right where you were. I said you can switch.
Explain the rules again.
Okay. Here's your...
Okay, so this is question 4. I think this is when they finally get to switch.
Okay, right? Okay. Hunter's staying in number 1. There might be some actual movement out here, though. Let's see who else got it right.
Ooh. And yeah, I really like this show. Okay, so after round 1, round 2 comes, and then there are 4 questions. Whoever is behind number 4 goes home. And then round 3, there are 3 questions. And then I bet you're thinking that whoever is behind number 3 is eliminated, and then round 4 with 1 and 2, right? Oh, I'm so sorry you got that wrong, but thank you for playing. We have some nice gifts for you backstage. But actually, in round 3, after the 3 questions, who's ever behind number 1 has a chance to move on to the final level to compete for the cash prize. So what happens is, at the very last level, they start at 5, and they need to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions correctly in a row, and they win. But if they get a question wrong, they go back 1. So it is a challenge, but I love it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you soon.